If you're aiming for an AI job by 2026, you need a clear, structured roadmap. Today, we cut through the noise to show you exactly what skills matter and, crucially, the order in which to learn them. Watch till the end to understand AI job context. The current landscape is confusing. Every week, a new tool, model, or term pops up, creating a constant sense of, where do I even begin? We see a swirling vortex of buzzwords: AI, machine learning, deep learning, LLMs, and agents. They overlap, they clutter, and they paralyze your learning journey. But true expertise comes from clarity. The first step is to discard the noise and impose structure on your learning path. Let's simplify the view. To understand the skills, we must first understand the environment where AI jobs exist within complete digital systems. Every AI application follows a flow. Data fuels the model becomes a product, and the product serves the user. This is the core system. Critically, AI jobs aren't about building isolated models. They are about integrating models into robust, scalable systems that deliver value to the user. Now let's map out the skills required for success, organized into a clear progression from foundational concepts to advanced deployment. The base of our pyramid is foundations, math, intuition, and logic. Without this strong base, everything built above it will be unstable. Next is data understanding. This involves everything from cleaning and preparing data to understanding data pipelines and recognizing bias. Layer 3 is machine learning basics. Focus on core algorithms, model training, and understanding evaluation metrics before diving into the complex models. Once the core ML knowledge is solid, we move towards specialized and applied skills that maximize job readiness. Layer 4 is model awareness. This is where you learn about deep learning and large language models, but importantly, understanding their limitations and when to apply them. At the pinnacle is system thinking and deployment. This is the most valuable layer for employers. How to take a model and make it run reliably and scale in the real world using cloud and MLOps principles. Here's a warning. Don't jump to fine-tuning the latest models or chasing buzzwords first. These advanced tools are blurred for now. Order matters more than speed in learning. Now that we have the skills structured, let's view this as a linear journey and see where it leads. Your learning journey should proceed smoothly along this roadmap, from solid foundations through ML into specialized LLM knowledge, and finally, into applied AI projects. Depending on your focus, the path branches into specific roles like AI engineer, ML engineer, or more applied AI and product roles. All are achievable with this structured approach. To wrap up, let's revisit the entire structure we've built. By visualizing the entire skill roadmap and the progression pyramid, we gain clarity. You now have a trustworthy guide for the next few years. Remember, you don't need to learn every single thing instantly. You just need to follow the right learning order. Subscribe and follow the AI Product Guy Master SDK Dinesh for more structured learnings and actionable AI insights.